this is Jody King-Colegrove with Quantum Techniques. I'm sure this has never happened to you, but my husband woke me up in the middle of the night snoring. So instead of doing this every time he snored, we have the ability to find out why he's snoring, stop or clear that virus or bacteria, whatever he's dealing with, and put him back online. So what I did is I found out that he actually had a virus and a bacteria in his cranial nerves, which are in his face and also his neck. Then I also found that he had a virus and bacteria and a little bit of fungal in his esophagus, throat, and trachea area, and also in his diaphragm. So I cleared him of that. Then basically after I got done clearing him, he stopped snoring and we could all get a good night's sleep. So give us a call at Quantum Techniques or visit our website and we can clear your husband so you no longer have to listen to him snore. Give us a call. Thanks.